Alice, the car doctor. Welcome back for a quick update on the Cadillac video. I got the customer right here with me. He's gonna explain how he liked the job and how it's been working out so far. He comes back faithfully for his oil change. And with this engine, I highly recommend full synthetic 020, what goes in this vehicle to keep it lasting long. Marcus, what you got to say? How has it been going, man?
Oh, very well. When I first discovered Alex on YouTube video, you know, I was looking at videos on. I was having in the beginning a couple of months ago. I was having problems with my ticking sound. This is a follow-up video. So I was just having a problem with ticking and clicking on the one of my lifters, and contacted him, you know, through the YouTube.
No, tell him about the nightmare.
Oh yes,
because I mentioned that in my video. I'm gonna post it on here too if you haven't seen it.
Well, I had a bit of a nightmare from another shop that did not treat me right. The guy told me that he was gonna repair my my lifter, and it kept my truck through the time of the World Series. I lost almost a whole month of work. I'm a limo driver. I didn't say that. I'm a chauffeur, limo driver. So I was waiting on my truck to get back from him. Got delayed, and it was held. And I needed a black limo, but I ended up having to rent a white Suburban. You know, for my work. It didn't quite work out like I wanted it to. In the limo business, you got to have a black vehicle.
Black is better.
Yeah, the black is better but the white SUVs are good for weddings and good for some prom nights. But you got to have a black limo in this business, you know, for executive and good party rides. But anyway,
they gave it back to you ticking, didn't they?
He gave it back to me. It was sounded the same way. He said, "Oh, it'll go away."
Talking about you got to drive it.
The guy told me just to drive it. I said, "Wait a minute, man. What do you mean drive it? Yeah, you didn't drive it. It'll go away." He ended up giving the guy close to $3,000.
Did he give any of that back?
He didn't give any of it back.
Dang.
Tried to contact him, wasn't answering my calls. You know, long story short, I was going to pursue it further. He ended up bringing it to Alex. You know, brought it to him. He saw what the problem was. Immediately got to it, and this vehicle is running better than it ever has run before. And I'm bringing the vehicle back for my routine oil changes, and I'm completely happy.
And on that note, I'm gonna give a little quick startup so you guys can hear it. If I can get up in here.
Right. Yep. Sounding good.
So my biggest worry with this job on the video, there was a scored up lifter bore, and I was like, you took it somewhere and had it like smoothed out.
Yeah. Somewhere here in Griffin, Georgia.
Took it to Griffin, Georgia to a shop there that does work on, what do you call it, lifter bore?
Yeah, machine shop.
Machine shop. And they cleared the little bore.
No, and it turned out great.
Turned out great. Brought it back to Alex, and he saw it was good and it was doable. Put it back in the vehicle, and this thing is sounding, you know, good as new. And I was almost to the point where I wanted to put another motor in here. But,
they cost about 10 grand. That's why I was like,
we worked it out. We got a price on the price now. Let's put it back in. So this is my new mechanic forever.
All right, man. Welcome.
So this is my man.
Hey, it's a YouTube customer too, so I was very happy to take care of him.
But you need to come to this man. He's very good. You know, he's a family man. You know, and his wife have been treating me very well, and you know, I'm only bringing my vehicle to him. All my service from now on.
You heard the man, y'all.
So you gotta bring your car to Alex.
I appreciate the business.
Oh yeah, best in the business. All right.
On that note, Alice, car doctor out. See you guys on the next one.